Cleanser I like a. Why the heck do you gotta be so clumsy?
Sab. Oh shit.
So the Garnier one is like a no. 안녕하세요. 인도에서 덕신아입니다. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know. I was supposed to make this video long ago, but if you follow me on Instagram, you know I've been traveling for the past few days, and before that I was really busy with packing. So I really did not get time to make this video, but now I've finally reached my Nana Nani's house. That is my maternal grandparents' house, and I finally have the time to film. So here we are. Before we get started, I want to put a little disclaimer, that is skincare and hair care and these kind of routines and these products differ from person to person. Like for everybody there's a different thing that will work. So I'm not saying this will not work on you. This is definitely worth a try, and I have tried and tested this, and trust me, my skin was really bad a year ago. And when I mean really bad, I mean chincha bad, okay? So I have done a lot of things, like a lot of trial and testing, and some of them have even like been a bad experience, but I'm only going to share what all has worked for me. And in fact, most of these are Korean skincare, like even because around a year ago I got hooked to K-pop and K-drama, and that's when I was like, oh my god, their skin is, I want that skin, I have to have that skin. So I started doing research and I found a few really useful tips. Second thing I want to tell is my skincare routine is not at all fancy. I just use 2 products, okay? I just use 2 products. So I will show you all those products which I have with me right here. I will show that towards the end of this video. But I will start with some nice tips that I got to know from the K world, which really worked for me. Let's get started. So the first tip I'm gonna share, you might have heard this like from every other skincare tip video, but है important तो बताना ही पड़ेगा मुझे, that is drink water. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Bye. I'm kidding. But drink water, okay? Jokes apart, you have to drink water because Google it. Why Google it, okay? अभी मैं वो इतना % बॉडी में वाटर होता है, इससे इतना हाइड्रेशन होता है, वो होता है. I'm not good at explaining all that. So, but one thing I know for sure is you have to drink a lot of water. And number 2 is steam massage your face with a thick face cloth. So जो वो thick क्लॉथ मिलता है ना, अभी हम तो उसे टर्किश टॉवल बोलते हैं, मुझे पता नहीं उसे क्या बोलते हैं, बट जो थिक टॉवल रहता है, जो यहाँ पे है नहीं तो मुझे पता नहीं मैं कैसे बताऊँ, बट इट्स द थिक टॉवल जो होटल वगैरह में मिलता है ना जब हम रहने जाते हैं, वैसा काइंड ऑफ फेस टॉवल. सो ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज डिप दिस टॉवल इन हॉट वाटर एंड पुट इट ऑन योर फेस, ठीक है? तो उसमें से एकदम मस्त स्टीम आता है एंड योर पोर्स विल ऑल ओपन अप एंड यू विल फील सो नाइस व्हेन यू रिमूव इट, एकदम ठंडा. सो व्हाट दिस बेसिकली डज इज इट ओपन्स योर पोर्स एंड इट हाइड्रेट्स योर स्किन ऑल्सो बिकॉज ऑफ द स्टीम. After you do this, let's move on to the third step, which is scrubbing. Okay, now because you have put the hot cloth on your face, your pores are open, and this is a very good time to scrub your face. So right now you want to take any good scrub. I used Body Shop's walnut scrub, and I also used Himalayas apricot scrub. These are the 2 scrubs that I use. So use any scrub and take a little bit of it and then मसाज इट इन सर्कुलर मोशंस. यू नो दैट रियली, अभी कुछ भी मुंह पे करना है सर्कुलर मोशन में ही होता है वो, ठीक है? तो यू हैव टू मसाज इट इन सर्कुलर मोशंस एंड फॉर लाइक 5 minutes और सो. बट आई एम वेरी इम्पेशेंट, सो मेरे को जब तक करने में मज़ा आता है मैं करती हूँ, फिर मुझे बोर होता है तो आई वॉश इट ऑफ. सो आई डू दैट एंड देन आई वॉश इट ऑफ विथ regular water. So that's how you have to do scrubbing Moving on to the fourth step. This step I came to know from Jackson of Got7. So in one of his interviews where he was asked about skincare, like, how is your skin so fantastic, mind-blowing, wonderful, beautiful, handsome, everything. His face is, he was born handsome, but yeah, about his skincare. So he said that he washes his face towards the end of the shower, like after he's done shampooing, after he's done washing his whole body. After everything is done, he washes his face. And why does he do that? Because shampoo has chemicals, body gel has chemicals. So, somehow these are, the residue is always there on your face. If you wash your face before doing all this, then the chemicals will just stay on your face. So, which is why you wash your face towards the end. And I really started doing this, and it really did affect my skin. And it kind of makes sense, right? And come on, Jackson ne bola hai to karna padega. So I tried it out and it was really good, and I confirm it for you. So please do this. It's actually really helpful. So the fifth tip is try to naturally flush your lip color. So what you can do to get this natural flush in your lips is you can either buy a lip scrub. I do not use a lip scrub, so I have not bought one, so I can't recommend you a brand, but I'm sure there might be good brands out there. What you can simply do is you can mix sugar and honey together and like to a consistency of a scrub, and then scrub your lips like very well in the night. And once you're done doing that, scrub it for a good 2 to 3 minutes. And once you're done doing that, you can just apply Vaseline or any other lip balm and sleep. But I am very lazy. So what I do is I use a lipstick that is literally like more similar to my original lip color. So this is my lip color light. I have not applied any lipstick right now. So this is my lip color. So I use this lipstick, which is I don't know the shade, I don't know the brand, क्योंकि वो सारा it's Miss Rose, something like that. So I bought this from Thailand, and now I don't know what its shade is because it's not mentioned over here. Yeah, so but just you get the point, right? Just get a shade which is closest to your lip. So this is like a very nude color. So even if I apply it, doesn't make that great of a difference, right? Like my lips still look the same. So yeah, I do that. So my skin color looks like very natural, and it pops up a bit because I'm using a lip color which is similar to my natural lip shade. So I do this because I'm lazy, but if you are not lazy, then please do the lip scrub step, because it like removes all the dead skin cells on your lips, and your lips look very plump and nice and soft and pink or whatever color your lips are. So that was the fifth step. Now the fifth ho gaya na? Fifth or sixth, whatever, I'll mention it down here. So that step is moisturizing. Now I do not really moisturize my face during the daytime because my face is oily, and if I use any sort of creams, I tend to sweat more when I go out. So I do not apply it in the morning, but during the night time I use this serum which I will be showing you all, which kind of even moisturizes my face. So I do it during the night because I'm sleeping, and I don't sweat a lot. So it really my skin soaks the cream and like the serum, and it's like really supple and really soft in the morning, but I do not use it in the day. But if your skin is dry and you really need something to moisturize, yeah, you should obviously moisturize. Try and test different kinds of creams and see what works for you. Generally for me, Nivea works the best. My skin is very sensitive, everything does not suit my skin. So I used to use Nivea. I use it during the winters, but during the summers, bhai, I can't even dare because I will be sweating like a pig if I use a cream and go outside. So I only do it at night. So this is a step which you can do or not do depending on your skin, but do not completely skip the moisturizing because your skin is oily, because no matter what skin type you have, a little bit moisturizing is required. So if your skin is oily like mine, you all can use the night cream or night serum, which will also moisturize your skin, and you won't have to like sweat a lot because of it. So yeah, now finally I'm going to share the products I've been using for the past 1 year, and it has absolutely worked for me and done like wonders to my skin. So the first one is a foam cleanser which I got from Miniso. So I got this from Miniso in Mumbai, and I think I got this for 600. I don't remember. I'll mention it in the description box. But yeah, so I have used this for a year. I remember I exactly bought this, I think in December 2019 or Jan 2020, and I can see in light, you know, I've used it only this much. I used it only up till here in the past year, so this much is remaining. It is because you literally have to take like a drop, like itusa, and it creates a lot of foam, and it feels very, very nice. I really like this, and it has actually reduced my pimples. I don't know how, and I don't know like why, but this is really great. It has reduced my pimples a lot. Like, I have recommended this to everybody who's been asking me, oh my god, how did your skin improve? I have recommended this to everybody. So, but the sad news is that I never found this again after that. Like, I thought, wow, such a great product, I should go and buy more of it. So I went to Miniso again, and it was out of stock, and ever since it's always been out of stock. I will try to link I will try to put the link to this in the description if I find it somewhere online, because I tried a few months ago and I did not find it on a like reliable site. But if I do, I will mention it in the description. But if not, you can use any other foam cleanser. So I came across these I think it's called rice water foam cleanser by The Face Shop. So I will be linking that in the description. You all can definitely buy that. I have not personally used that, but I'm going to buy that after this is like empty. Use a good foam cleanser, and because you have to wash your face at least twice a day. Second product I use and I love is this. It's White Seed Serum. Can you see it because of the light or not? Okay. It's White Seed Serum by the Face Shop. It's White Seed Serum by the Face Shop. Yeah. Okay, why do they do? Oh, they do this to block the light. Okay. So it's White Seed Serum by the Face Shop. Again, I bought this in a Jan or February 2020, and there's a lot in it. Can I open it? Yeah, I can. See, there is literally so much of it left. Can you see? I hope it doesn't fall down. Yeah, see, that's like a lot, and I use this almost every day. Sometimes I forget, but mostly I use it every day in the night. And what I do is it's like a pump. Okay, it's got a pump, so you have to pump like very less. Like, I just pump this much. I just pump this much of serum, and then I like apply it in circular. बोला ना, skincare related कुछ भी हो, circular motion. So I apply it in circular motion, and it is so hydrating. Like, my hand feels so nice. Wow, see this jalawa mark. Your girl can't cook. But anyways, so I apply it, and I keep applying it in circular motion till I feel that it is gone. Okay, and it really soaks in the skin so well. Like, you will not even realize you have something on your skin, and it smells amazing. So what this did is, what it claims it does is hydrates your skin and moisturizes your skin and brightens any sort of dark spots that you have, which I have to give it to this, because it did brighten a lot of pimple marks that I had to make my skin how it looks today. So these two products get it. They win it. They get all my appreciation because they have worked very well. So that's about it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and please try out these things, and I am sure it will work for you. And if it doesn't, do not stop. Like, do your research, do some trial and errors, but be safe. Do not F up your skin. But yeah, see what works for you, and I really hope that your skin is beautiful in no time. But anyhow, if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe and join this beautiful family of people who are obsessed with Korean world. And also share it with somebody who needs help with skincare or wants to better their skin. So yeah, that's about it. See you soon. Annyeong.